Hello guys, I'm Shlok and you're watching Tech Burner. I've already shown you guys gadgets that are available on Amazon for different price ranges, but in this video I will do completely different. I will show you gadgets that you should definitely not buy from Amazon or any kind of online store. I can also specify certain products that you should not buy, but I'll try to generalize a little bit so you guys can get an idea of what kind of products you should stay away from. The first kind of products that you should not buy would definitely be fake products. I have these Oppo earphones in my hand and these are the Samsung earphones, and you should definitely try to avoid any kind of thing that is fake. You also get a lot of fake Apple products as well, like fake earpods or fake Apple earphones, and the quality is of course not that good. The biggest reason you should not buy them is because they are of course illegally smuggled inside the country, and of course you're spoiling the economy a little bit. Sometimes when you open up the product page, it will not show you there that it has the Samsung branding, but when you actually receive the product, it will have the branding. If you get any such product, make sure you report it to Amazon. This has become quite common with sellers selling fake products on Amazon. These are kind of like the small time sellers that are just there to resell stuff. What the importers do is they put tape while importing the product itself, and also during the photo shoot. It's kind of like a white tape, or they hide it with some kind of paint. So they can import it normally and they can also put it up on Amazon, but of course when you receive the product, it will be a fake, and of course the quality is also not good. The second kind of products are cheap earphones. So I'm talking about like some specific earphones and not generalizing it to like the whole earphone market. So it would include earphones like these that sell for 200-300 rupees and are extremely poor quality. And also you can take these Oppo earphones or these kind of like generic low quality earphones or the Samsung earphones that I just showed you. So the actual making cost of these earphones is around 10 to 20 rupees, and while importing and selling on Amazon with Amazon fees combined and all of the other fees, it makes it up to like 150 rupees. The reason I'm showing you earphones and not some other products is because Amazon does not have any kind of regulations when it comes to earphones. So people can sell like anything that is an earphone. They could literally put a normal speaker into an earpiece and sell it as an earphone. And that's also a reason why you find a lot of low quality earphones on Amazon. That's not true for chargers or batteries because they have like certain regulations for the batteries and chargers. I know this because I'm kind of like a seller on Amazon, and I've seen all these products selling online. These earphones might sound okayish and might have high-pitched sounds, but they can cause some massive side effects that you might not even notice are happening inside your life. You can have long-term hearing loss, and they can also mess up with your sleeping cycle and your eating cycle. So you'll find up sleeping at different times, and you can also find yourself eating at different times. And to add to that, sometimes they even put like different speakers in different earphones, or the earphones might deteriorate over time. So what happens is one earphone is louder than the other one, and of course it will damage your hearing, and you would start to hear a little bit less from one ear and like normal from the other one. Let me know if you want like a separate video on earphones itself and what kind of earphones are good for use. And it's same for these kind of like MP3 players as well. They have kind of like bundled earphones that you should definitely try to avoid. So to identify like the poor quality earphones, it's pretty simple. When you get the product would be of like very poor quality, the wires would be very thin, the audio quality would be like okayish, and there would be either no brand on it or it would be kind of like a generic brand that is not registered. If you want to buy earphones, you can definitely try out like Panasonic earphones or Philips earphones. I've seen Philips earphones sell for around like 130 rupees, and they have better quality than almost anything that's in the market that is around this price range. And personally, I would advise you to get earphones that cost at least above 500 rupees. But anyways, if you want to buy from like trusted brands. Third type of products are not that dangerous, but you would of course be spending a lot of money if you buy these on Amazon. So if you buy like any kind of generic product under the 100 rupee price bracket, you can of course buy it from Amazon if you want to like pay a little bit extra money. First of all, you have to pay the Amazon referral fees, then the fixed closing fee, and then there is the shipping fee that you have to pay. And Amazon also charges you with storage fees, and there is GST that you add, and all of these are in percentages. So like their 5 rupee pencil or 10 rupee pencil would end up like 150 or 160 rupees in the end. And that's true for like almost all the products under like the 100 rupee price bracket. They're kind of overpriced on Amazon. So if you want to buy something like this small cheap plastic stand or like a holder for your mobile phone, something like this, or like a generic cheap cable, micro USB cable, then you should definitely try to avoid Amazon or any kind of online store, because they would be a little bit overpriced there and you would be wasting a lot of money. But what you could do is you could like buy it in packs of 5 or packs of 3, and then they would like have decent pricing. If you're liking all the tips till now, make sure you press the subscribe button, because it will help me and it will of course help you as well. I'll try to make more like these, and yeah, let's move on to the next one. The third kind of products on the list would be cosmetic products. Some people might be smiling, but that's actually true. You should definitely try to avoid using any kind of like face pack or any kind of powder that is generic brand. I'm totally okay with branded products, but if it's like a generic brand, that means like no brand is owning it and it's just being sold directly from the supplier. And products like this cheap hairdryer that actually my sister ordered, it's very cheap, but you should definitely try avoiding this because it can burn your hair. Nobody used it, so my sister's hairs are like completely fine. So any kind of like generic skincare products or products that actually impact the skin or like internal components of your body, like hearing or nose or anything like that, you should definitely try to avoid all those. I'm not of course stopping you guys from buying online, and you can get some of these products in offline stores as well. You can of course buy chargers, cables, or any kind of speaker or any external gadget for your phone, electronics, and all of these stuff on Amazon, and you would be completely fine. And they also have the return policy, so if you end up buying any of these items, you can also return them back and like get a refund or something like that. And these are some products that you might not think are harmful, but actually will harm you in the long term. So that was kind of it for this video. We are going really fast, and if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to press the subscribe button, like add the D to the subscribe and it make it turn gray. And yeah, you can also watch some previous videos on this channel.